All right, this video is not complicated, but I always get asked how to do the simplest, easiest things. So here it is, pretty easy. How do I cut a piece of drywall? This is just a standard 1/2-inch green board used in bathrooms or plumbing walls, just a regular sheetrock. So this is a 2x4, just a quarter of a sheet. So usually you get your measurements and you say, okay, well, I want to do 1 foot. 1 foot cut, 1 foot cut. Instead of doing it this way, we're going to just do a nice ripper cut. 2 foot. A lot of guys like to follow it with the 2 foot like that technique, which is all right, but that's more of an intermediate. So we made our mark here. This is what this T-square is for. It's nice. It fits perfectly for sheetrock or wood or anything. I make my 2 foot line. I just take my razor blade and I score it. Once or twice is all you really need. Take your T-square, get it out of the way. And then once you do the score line, it's pretty simple. You just snap it and then cut the back. All you do is you're just cutting the paper, nothing, and then you just snap it back. Now you got 2 pieces of drywall, 2x4. You don't always have to do this, but you can always rasp the drywall if you have a nice rasp to make a nice, perfect, clean cut. If you don't have a rasp and you needed to rasp, a simple thing that we've done in the field when we don't have all of our tools, or we lost our tools, or someone stole our tools, take it on the cement. Now it's nice and clean, but that's a basic thing. You can cut sheetrock this way, cut that way. You could take your T-square, you can use it on the bench, on the floor, cut it however size you want, whatever direction. So that's why when you go to Home Depot and you see these T-squares in the sheetrock aisle, that's what they're used for. You have your measurements, 4 foot, so it makes everything easy. A $10 tool, and it's worth its weight in gold. So we cut sheetrock a lot. Sometimes you could do it by hand, but it's always nice to have a nice T-square. So now I got me 2 nice pieces of drywall for my patch jobs tomorrow. 2 pieces of 2x4, and I got to do 2 patches tomorrow. So I'm ready to go. So I don't have to make the mess at people's jobs and make the mess here at my own home.